Fresh, not so fresh. Oh my goodness, what a clean microwave. Two minutes ought to be good. Ooh. It's been a minute. No, less than, let's see, that's 45 seconds so far. The fresh ones, completely destroyed. Let's take a quick look at how they're going so far altogether. Oh, holy smoke, it's going to set off the fire alarm. Oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah. I think they're still edible. I wish you could smell that. And here's how they look. This was about 5 seconds short of a minute, 55 seconds. The old ones definitely demolished and also blackened. The fresher ones, really gross. They look like, well, let's just call them vomit pizzas. And in short, I recommend against eating these. That's 3 expired shot blocks stuck together. Let's see how they blend. And here we go. I think we'll go with smoothie. It looks like broken glass.